Ruby, 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 stop getting out of the way. Good, 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 good. Hey, no more setting for you. Okay? Move your feet, get your hand in front of it. Woo! Ooh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Straight through. I was shaking on that one.
There you go. Hey, when they're playing on that side, you guys are standing up too tall. Stay down, stay ready. That's what I mean. You're standing like this, watching them play. Stay down, stay ready so you can go, okay? Literally the very next play. We will.
It was too over.
Yeah. Good play, good play. There we go, way to play, way to play. Hey! Huh? Keep going. High contact point. There, there, there! Yeah! Now do that again, because you always whiff on the second one like, hey, hit it again. Thanks. Oh, maybe. Let's just play straight right now. I know we don't have everybody here that plays setter. Let's just try and get the ball, slow it down a little bit. Let's make it as easy as possible for right now. There you go. Good. Ariani, come on. What were you looking at? What were you looking at? Yeah. All right. Move faster. Move up a little bit.
Does that again? Have pushed her up like a little bit.
By the way, I didn't get mine because I was over at the other court. Good job out there.
Only player I know on this team, so.
Kendall, you're here, right? Nice! Great job. Your footwork was terrible, but the hit was amazing. All right, good job. All right, she's about to call a timeout. Let's go to this one. Nice. Hey, keep it up, ladies. Keep it up. There we go. Michaela, hit the ball. Hit it. Ruby. You need you to move a little bit more, okay? You're doing fine. Just don't be so hesitant. And I know you know this. When that ball's in play over here, where do you go? To the net, right?
Even I can't serve it. It's embarrassing on my part.
No. When she's on, she's on. Yeah, those are my top two right now.
Servers?
Yes. When she's on, bro, that ball just tumbles and then drops over the net.
I can't even serve like that.
Or it'll look like it's going out of bounds and then just tags the back line. Nice! Hey, great job receiving that. Good job. That was good. Bring it in, bring it in. All right, much better. We're doing the 3 hits. We're moving. Serves are always on point, so we're doing good, all right? Dare I say, keep it up, all right? We literally flipped the scoreboard from the last set to this set. Keep it up on 3.
Keep it up on 3! Keep it up on 3! 1, 2, 3, keep it up! That's what my coach did just
Keep it working, keep it working. Ah! back, get it back. Back row, be ready. Front row, step back. Step back. Don't get out of the way, right? Block it.
If I were her, I'd like push front row.
Nah,
Like half a set and then half a.
there it is. You did good, you did good.
Ready, Kendall?
But you just kind of like stopped it, right? A set, you got to push it up. You got to get that ball. Give them time to get to the ball. There we go. Again, again. There we go. Yeah! Way to work, Kendall. Good job. Way to track that down, right? That's how we do it. Oh.
It was this close.
I know.
They serve better than I do, and I'm in lower. This is embarrassment on my part. Actually, I'm kind of a good server. I see my coach. There they are.
Nice. 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 Good, 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 good. Yeah, he forfeited. Get it, get it. Good call, good call. There we go. There it is. There you go. One more, one more. Here it comes. She made it.
I've only ever made one game point shot. The rest I've made.
You ready, Kendall? Were you aiming to push that all the way out to Keela? Uh-huh. Play, play! Okay. There! Oh! You swung, you swung. Right, relax. Way to stay with it. Way to stay with it.
I don't play with. Well, I mean, I could, but like, it's just a little scary. I don't like doing that. It's like not my style.
Good. Bring it in. Great work, everybody. Great work, great work, great work. That is the set that I'm looking for. That's how I want you guys to play. Start to finish, that was a very good set. Solid all the way around. Few mistakes, but not many, okay? You're never gonna have a perfect set. Don't worry about that. Play a great set like we just did, and we got it. Now, final set. Stay prepared. It's a race to 15, so it's a short set.
Sorry.
Go back. So race to 15. That means keep the mistakes to a minimum.
We get
Good.
served.
All right. It doesn't really matter because we got to go right back to where we were, all right? Hurricanes on 3.
Hurricanes on 3! Hurricanes on 3! 1, 2, 3, Hurricanes!
And then we got to rotate 1, I think. Yeah, rotate forward 1.